Hey guys, let's do this. If you want longer battery life on your iPhone, watch this. Go on settings, general, background app refresh. It's on. It's using all your battery. Make sure you turn it off. Next, go on accessibility and go on motion and reduce motion. Turn it on. Finally, come down to privacy. Go on to location services. Go all the way down to system services and make sure you turn off location-based alert, location Apple ads, and location-based suggestion. Come down, turn off iPhone analytics, popular near me, and routing and traffic. Thank me later. Don't forget to follow my YouTube.